Now I'm in Mr. Fagan's grade 8 homeroom classroom, and we're going to talk a little bit about our lunch protocols. So we talked about not allowing microwaves. However, we're going to have an individual microwave in each class that the teacher's going to be responsible for wiping down after each use. The boys are going to be eating with their cohort in their classroom. They also have in the majority of our classrooms sinks, so hand washing stations available for cleaning up after the lunch hour. We will have half-hour lunch inside for social time and eating, and then a half-hour outside, and we're going to stagger that between our 1 to 6s and 7 to 12 so that we utilize the field and can separate everybody out there.